Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Microsoft Excel series that is running into my channel. Please check the playlist in my channel and also check the description box. There I will give you the link of the Excel data file which I am using in this video. So today we are going to learn how to count cells that begins with some specified characters or specified text. So this is your host Pritham and you are watching Technical Portal YouTube channel. Let's begin, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get all notification from my channel. So at first I am going to run the OSK, that means the on-screen keyboard, so that you can check whichever keys I am pressing in my keyboard. Friends, I have already created a data file previously. Let's open that file. Here it is. So if you have a data file like this and you have to count the cells specified any of the criteria like this, you can use COUNTIF formula. To count the number of cells that begin with certain text, you can use the COUNTIF function. In this generic form of the formula here, the range is a range of cells. Text represents the text that cells should begin with, and the star is a wildcard matching any number of characters. So let's start this formula by typing equals to COUNTIF, then open the first bracket. Here it is asking for a range. In my case, the range will be from B4 to B9. Put a comma here, then it is asking for a criteria. So give the criteria like this, open the double inverted comma, then put the text here. I am typing red. Note carefully, friends, that here this text is not case sensitive, so you can use in uppercase or lowercase, is all up to you. Then put the star mark here, then close the double inverted comma, close the bracket, then simply hit the enter. So it is showing the result of 2. Let's check. Here it is 1 red pen and 2 red. That means these two cells are starting with the given criteria, that is red. Now if we copy these cells from upside down, the formula will also be copied and it will show you the result. Look at here, friends. In this cell the criteria is white, and here it is white is only in one cell, and here in this cell the criteria is A and the result is 2. Here it is 1 and 2. So let's check how this formula actually works. COUNTIF counts the number of cells in the range that begin with text by matching the content of each cell against the pattern of this one, which is supplied as the criteria. The star mark here, the star mark symbol, this called the asterisk, is a wildcard in Excel. That means match any numbers of characters. the count of cells that match this pattern is returned as a number. So that's all for today. Hopefully you have learned a new thing today. See you soon guys. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you like this video, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Share your opinion in the comment box and share this video with your friends. Keep learning, keep supporting my channel, and stay tuned.